What is up, everybody? I'm back here in the beautiful western North Carolina mountains, and I have some pretty cool updates to share with you, and let's take a look. So those of you who may be new to the channel, we recently purchased the property in 2020 or so, right before I got sick, and we had the kind of dream or idea for us to put a tiny house up on the mountain. So we got that tiny house delivered this past week, and it's really cool. So you can see it in the background. Let's go up closer and show you guys what it looks like. So believe it or not, this is actually an Amish built shed. So we purchased this shed through a local company here in Western North Carolina, but we actually did a design online. So if you've seen my previous video, we actually designed and planned a tiny home very similar to a shed style that you can buy, you know, right off the shelf, I guess you could say. So we actually took that price, compared it to a, stick built, and it was way cheaper to just have someone build it to similar specs and purchase it as a shed. So what we did here is we put two big doors, so that way we could have glass doors in the front, and I'm going to show you guys the floor plan and walk you guys through the inside and how this thing is built and how we've got it set up currently. So as you can see, we did a sonotube foundation. This was just quicker, easier, and it gives us something a little bit more permanent for us to put the actual shed on. So originally this shed was designed with two standard double hung shed doors. We actually chose to have those doors removed, and we purchased each of these doors for, I believe, $480 at Lowe's. People thought I was crazy when I did that. The reason why I decided to do two large double doors like that is because you really save money adding really large doors, letting in a lot of light, versus putting in multiple windows. So that's kind of what I did. Plus, I really like being able to, wake up or wherever you're looking out and just seeing the mountain in the background. We have the mountain this way that it's facing, so it makes it really great. Wake up in the morning, rise out of bed, and you're looking at the mountain. So as you can see on the inside, it's not that big. This is a 12 by 24, but it's everything we need for the first cabin of our kind of 2-cabin camp type build. So what we plan on doing here is we're going to have a kind of living space right here in this area, right here where this center window is. We're going to have a small bathroom space, and then this area is going to be a bedroom space. And then this will be a connected hallway slash kind of like a snack cabinet area on this wall here. So we'd have just like one microwave, a mini fridge, and then everything else would just kind of be a walkway. So the door to the bathroom will open right here. It'll be a pocket door. And then that way it saves a lot of the space on the inside. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut to where you can see the plan now on the screen. And as you can see, everything is very functional, and it makes a lot of sense. We thought that maybe we could give a little bit more privacy by adding an accordion type door in the hallway in between the bedroom and the living space. But for now, we're just gonna keep it simple and just do those 3 interior walls. and just keep this plan really easy and functional. So as you can see, it comes with this floor that is an upgraded, it's painted, I believe it's OSB. It's on 2x6 floor joists, I believe. And also the rafters are 2x6 as well. It has a radiant barrier undercoating for this siding underneath the roof. The Tech Shield LP radiant barrier, as well as has these cool little windows. This is a single pane, and then these other ones are double insulated windows. So really cool there. We went ahead and made a couple additions to this. We added a 1 foot overhang and raised the back and front about 6 inches. That smart T11 siding, really good hardy stuff. Pretty solid, but for the most part, we are really happy with this build. This is gonna be like the bedroom area here. This is where you would kind of wake up and you would look out, and you can't see right now because it's kind of an overcast day, but you have the mountain right here behind the trees. And so fall comes around, it's gonna be really beautiful. You'll be able to see, you know, all the colors and the color changing leaves and stuff like that. But long-term plan, hopefully this thing will come along and it won't be much longer before we're in here. I've got a lot of work to do. I first need to go ahead, map everything out according to the floor plan that we have. So that way I can go ahead and figure out exactly where those 3 walls are gonna be, exactly where the shower is gonna be, or if I'm gonna do a shower pan or a shower enclosure. Either way, I gotta get that in here. So got some work to do for sure. And what's funny is this was just the start of this entire journey. So you guys follow, subscribe, so that way we can keep you updated on all of this. And I hope you guys have enjoyed watching this video. I hope it inspired you guys to do something similar, find a piece of land, and you know what, just get to work. So thanks for watching, guys. Phoenix to the mountain, like, subscribe. See you guys later.